Today we're gonna make a fall step sitter, and the step sitter is what we call a small sized pot that can go outdoors. You will make this up super simply. I've only got 3 things laying on my counter here, so we'll make it extra easy. You'll be using a 7x7 plastic pot. I guess the 4th item will be a block of foam that is in your kit, 2 bunches of these awesome outdoor safe rosemary stems, and the UV mum bush, which does come with an extender stake. So the mum bush is plastic. Make sure you can see that it looks great from the street, because the further away you get from it, the better it looks. It's a UV protected plastic. And then here in my pot, we've got the stake, which is really stuck. So we demoed it and set it up for a photograph because this bundle is photographed online. You will find that the stake is attached separately to the mum bush, and this actually is threaded. It screws into the stake so it won't pop out. That's why you can probably use these outside in your yard, straight in the ground, and fool your neighbors also. Wouldn't that be hilarious? Let's do it. So the foam that comes with the kit is our high quality floral foam. Here is what a brick looks like. We sell it independently for $5.50. You will be able to take this block and cut it. So what we have here is 2/3 of the block, and then the extra piece on the side glued in to stabilize it. That's how you best utilize a block of foam. So there we go. That is what we're putting inside. Now, I have my glue off camera here, but this one is already glued in, so we're just gonna go with it and continue on our design today. So you would probably screw the stake onto your mum bush prior to inserting it. That's what I would do. Again, we have it stuck.
Funny this.
It kind of does. We have this one stuck in here, so it is getting done backwards just because that's what happened today. All right. Couldn't pull the stake out. It was already in there stuck. Good steak. We're gonna dip this in a little glue and add the 2 rosemary bushes. Now this is a super dense bush, but if I look real careful, I am gonna insert with glue the 2 rosemary bushes right down next to the stem of the mum bush here. So that is going in. I want a lot of it to stick straight up and through, and a little of it to stick out, and just break up the mum a bit is the goal. Breaking up the mum. So let's put the other one on the opposite side. Again, I'm just aiming for right next to the mum stem. Inserting it there, some glue, make sure it all stays together. Now this is outdoor safe. You can pop this liner pot into your planters outside. Maybe you've got planters that had real flowers. You're gonna dig out just enough dirt to nestle this pot into the dirt, or the planter is empty. Maybe it's one of those tall planters and you wanna add and embellish some extra draping material from our online store. We have draping bittersweet. We have lots of different kinds of draping fall leaf sprays that will give you some long trailers if you need them. We could recommend the cottage ivy. We could recommend the bittersweet that trails in traditional orange. Okay, I've got it pulled and worked through. Now this is how simple it is. This one is not. We're gonna start easy. What is happening? There, it's glue. Glue stuck to me. We're gonna start easy and we're gonna work our way up. I know it's early for a lot of you guys, and you just got going here during the live. So let's just make it easy. There we go. So he's got a little filler. He's got a little flu going on, and he's really simple. So I said when the design was created, maybe you'd want it fuller. There's an add-on option you could try. I'm gonna put this in here with
flame maple bush.
Exactly, flame maple. So that item is an inexpensive $11 add-on. If you want to add it, just search for the flame maple bush, add it to your cart, cut it up. It will be cut into 5 nice little stems. I won't glue these, but these little stems, if you want this to look fuller around the base, we did this with the other mum bush yesterday. So there is a mum kit available with the, what color did we use yesterday? Orange?
Yeah, orange.
We used orange yesterday, and we used these little leaves with the orange one yesterday. So this will add some fullness, especially helpful if it's gonna drop into a pot that has a bigger diameter and might have some gaps. So this will fill your gaps out. Grab one of those or two of those, depending how full you need it, and then
That does
that's
really help.
how it looks with the add-on. All right, there you have it, our step sitter today.